Good day, traders. Good day, traders. Good morning, traders. Good afternoon, traders. Good evening, trader. All over the world, wherever you are. Today we'll be talking about in-depth the analysis for the AUDJPY buy signal given to the community, the CHFJPY buy signal given to the community, the New Zealand USD buy signal given to the community, what I am looking at to exit or to hold, what I will be looking at to add more positions or to exit. Okay, now, like I have always emphasized, trading is all about if and else. If market keeps doing what it is doing according to our playbook rules, we will keep holding that trade and holding it, or we will keep adding more size to what we already have on there. If market behaves like Mr. B or Mr. C, we would do this and this and that, which is very important. Now, I've always emphasized on the opening range. This is a Jim Dalton's concept, Stacy's mentor. Opening range high, opening range low of a market. It also has a relationship with each sessions, especially the Asian session. Are we back inside of the Asian session? Are we back inside of the general opening range, that is in the overall value for the rest of our trading week? Are we in value or are we out of balance? When we are inside the value area, price may quickly fill up the opposite extreme of the value, as stated in the rulebook. This is why I emphasized on traders getting that rulebook. Now, I am not just looking to buy CHFJPY blindly. CHFJPY has a 3-day setup. Okay, it has a 3-day setup which has met our criteria. In Asia, we want to see market behaving in certain ways for buying pressure. Okay, this buying pressure can now take us to our take profit target, which is above Asia. Okay, if price behaves the way we want to see it before the 3rd hour or the 2nd hour, or at the 2nd hour or 3rd hour of the US session window. Okay, now like I said, I have a new package for everybody, a new system integrated into executing in a session breakouts of candlestick patterns using the 45-minute and 1-hour time frame. This will help traders align themselves in the right reversals as early as possible. This will bring to traders' mindset and eyes the earliest entry and the process of managing that trade, position sizing, and doing the same thing over and over again. The more traders repeat the same process and do the same things over and over again, the more it gets better for everybody. If you repeat a process over and over again, you would with time become very good at that process. So we are on a buy on CHFJPY, AUDJPY, as you can see, and we are on a buy. And there are certain criteria, like I always say, the importance of Asia box. Okay, the H1, we are back in value. Okay, we are in value right now. Okay, the value guidelines and the value rule states that this is in value, we are in value. Okay, if price accepts that area, we may fill up the opposite extreme of the value, but that will be determined by the 2nd to 3rd hour of our trading session. Anything can happen. We also went long on the NZDUSD. It is in value, so we are not going to close the trade yet. As long as price does not go back out of value, we will remain in this buy. The moment it nears or gets to this area beyond this price level here, we are out of value, and that is where we have to close our trades. Okay, normally we are looking to add more entries or exit. So if it goes to the value area or even exceeds, we will close that market and focus on the ones that are running currently in profit the way we want to see them, which is the CHFJPY and the AUDJPY. Now remember, the rulebook, the playbook is in the link in the description. Do well to get these books, read them, In the mentorship course, I go deep into analysis bar by bar, what we want to see, various breakouts on smaller time frames. This was brought to my mind's eye by Al Brooks. Now Stacy will not teach this. Stacy only talks about dumps and pumps, but I will go in depth to what I want to see that makes me hold a certain trade or exit a certain trade. Do well to purchase the book. Observe the rules on 3-day setups. On day 3 3-day setups. Okay, reversals or continuation trades, out of balance, in balance markets, the moving averages, that is all, and trend lines. We want to look, are we making higher highs, are we making lower lows? If the markets go with you all, congratulations to everybody who took this market with me. See you guys on the next one. Thank you.